What's up, guys? I'm back again and we got another snake. And I just want to say, I apologize for that mess back there, but I am making heat tape. I'm doing a video and I'm also doing about 18 of them for all the racks, so. Oh. But anyways, let me grab my scissors. All right, are you excited? So I got this snake from Snake Room 305. He's my buddy. I think he's out of Florida, and I'm super excited about this guy. Let's see what we got. Just trying to see if I can get him to not run away for a second. Look at that guy. He is unbelievable. That is insane. That camera does not do him justice because he is gorgeous. Holy cow. Let me know in the comments what you think. I have some special plans for this big boy right here. So this is a bamboo yellow belly male. What do you think?
Good.
What do you like about him?
I liked his eyes. It's so beautiful, and I liked his whole like skin, his whole like dots right here. I liked it, like these little brown dots right here. And I liked I can feel his tongue, and I liked it.
What about all the whiteness? There's a lot of white on him, huh?
And I liked the whiteness too.
Nice.
It's a pretty cool pattern.
Happy World Snake Day from the Scales family. We just wanted to show all of our snakes a little love. Here we go. Everybody hold up your snakes. Yeah, what's your guys' favorite one? Comment, tell me what you like.
Harper, what's your favorite one?
I really like this one because I like all of its like you see that one?
His patterns?
Yeah, his patterns. It's really awesome. And so I just like his pattern.
Yes, awesome. Tristan, which one's your favorite?
Mine is that white one.
This bamboo one?
The bamboo.
That's our newest snake.
Yeah, what about you?
I'd have to say either the bamboo or the one on the table.
Yeah, the big pewter female.
She's pretty awesome. What about you, honey?
My favorite is that little guy right there that Harper's holding. Hold him up, baby. That is our cinnamon black pastel sandblast het pied.
Yes.
He's always.
Back to your head.
My favorite is, it's tough because based on temperament, I love Al and Freckles, but based on like pattern, I love the bamboo. But our pewter is pretty awesome because she's just so big and chill, and she kind of just makes me laugh. I don't know, but then again, he can't get left out, or she can't get left out, so the yellow belly too.
That's your favorite, the yellow belly?
I don't know, she does have, look at her underneath. It is incredible. Her belly region has just the most beautiful pattern. Okay, so I love them all the same.
You let us know what's your favorite. The bamboo, yellow belly, the pewter female, the yellow belly female, the pastel Enchi banana, Mr. Freckles, the black pastel cinnamon sandblast het pied, Miss Marvel, or Mr. Al.
Or albino.
Albino.
Where's Striker?
And the last one we have, of course, is Striker, her little butter Enchi. We're still working on her a little bit. She's getting more comfortable with us every day. We're just trying to provide consistency for her and giving her a little bit of holding every single day. But we still keep her away from the kids, just in case.
She tries to bite me every day. Amethyst is the only one right now that holds her. For some reason, she just like likes her scent or something.
She had a taste of my blood. Now she loves me.
She is pretty. Can you tilt her down?
She's like,
There you go. Woo! She's a pretty snake.
Isn't she?
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that like button. Please don't forget to love your snakes, especially on World Snake Day. And please, 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 just look at this beautiful little boy right here. Happy Snake World Day. Oops.